The Samsung 130-inch, the premier ultra-short throw 4K UHD smart triple laser projector, represents a new era of home cinema. It's more than just a projector. It's a complete theater experience, designed to bring the magic of the big screen right into your living space. With cutting-edge laser technology, exceptional image clarity, and powerful built-in sound, Samsung has redefined what a home entertainment system can be. One of the most striking things about the Premier is its ultra-short throw design. Forget about long cables and ceiling mounts. This projector sits just inches away from your wall and still projects a massive 130-inch 4K UHD image. It's sleek, compact, and modern. A device that blends into your living room instead of standing out. The real magic happens with its triple laser technology. Samsung uses separate red, green, and blue lasers to deliver stunningly accurate colors with exceptional brightness. The result? Deep contrast, lifelike tones, and razor-sharp details even in bright rooms. Combined with HDR10+ support, every frame bursts with dynamic color and clarity, the kind of visual depth that makes movies, shows, and games look absolutely incredible. Sound is just as important as visuals, and Samsung didn't hold back here. The integrated 4.2-channel 40W sound system creates an immersive audio experience without needing external speakers. You get clear vocals, solid bass, and a surround effect that fills the room, making everything from movie dialogue to explosions sound cinematic. This projector is also smart in every sense. Running on Samsung's Tizen OS, it offers seamless access to all major streaming platforms like Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video, and YouTube. With Alexa, Google Assistant, and Bixby built in, you can control your viewing experience hands-free. Just ask and it delivers. Connectivity is flexible and convenient. Multiple HDMI inputs, USB, optical audio, Ethernet, and Bluetooth mean you can hook up consoles, sound systems, or stream wirelessly from your phone or tablet. For gamers, the low input lag ensures a smooth and responsive experience, even on a 130-inch screen. Samsung also includes Filmmaker Mode, a setting that maintains original color and motion the way creators intended. It's an ideal feature for movie enthusiasts who want authenticity in every scene. The picture quality is vibrant and natural, making this one of the most accurate projectors in its category. Design-wise, it's a beauty. The minimal profile and premium fabric texture give it a refined look that complements any modern home. It's quiet, quick to start, and easy to use. No complicated installation, just place it, plug it in, and enjoy a theater-scale image instantly. What's impressive about the Premier is how effortlessly it delivers both function and luxury. Whether you're watching the latest blockbuster, catching a sports match, or gaming on a 130-inch screen, everything feels immersive and engaging. It's bright enough for daytime use and rich enough in tone for late-night movie sessions. The Samsung 130-inch The Premier isn't just another home gadget. It's an all-in-one entertainment system built for people who crave the best. With its incredible visuals, smart integration, and premium sound, it's a true centerpiece for any home theater setup. Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this Samsung 130-inch The Premier Ultra Short Throw 4K UHD Smart Triple Laser Projector, LSP9T latest model, then please visit the link provided in the description.